Hello and welcome. As the intro said, will I show you how to disable Windows Defender and Firewall in Windows 10. And the first thing that you need to do is to get yourself into the Settings app by clicking on Start and then on the gear. After that, should you head over to Update and Security. Then click Windows Security. When you entered that page, should you click on Virus and Threat Protection. Now, under Virus and Threat Protection Settings, click Manage Settings. Turn Real-Time Protection off. Allow this app to make changes by clicking on Yes. Now is the Windows Defender section done and it's time to disable the firewall. So first off, click on Firewall and Network Protection. Disable all the different networks and allow the app to make changes. Now is everything done, and your PC is now running without Windows Defender and Firewall protection. I would admittedly have these disabled temporarily due to the fact that these two features protect your computer. But I hope this video helped you, otherwise just leave a comment down below, and I will try to answer it as good as I can. Have a continued nice day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.